Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve Cbse Ncert textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is problem number 3 from exercise 3.2 on comparing the ratios and find out whether the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So in this they are given with 5 set of equations. Again this is similar to the previous problem. Let us solve. So the first set of equations they are giving are 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 7y is equal to 7. So this is not according to the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So now try to write that equation, two equations in this form, that is 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Similarly, 2x minus 7y minus 7 is equal to 0. Step 2, write down the given data. A1 is equal to 3, A2 is equal to 2 and B1 is equal to 2 and C1 is equal to minus 5. Again from the second equation, A2 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to minus 7 and also C2 is equal to minus 7. Now compare the ratios. Find out the ratios first, then we can compare. A1 by A2 is equal to 3 by 2 and B1 by B2 is equal to 2 by minus 7. I am writing it as minus 2 by 7 and C1 by C2 minus 5 by minus 7, that I can write it as 5 by 7. Now here A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, right? This is 3 by 2 and this is minus 2 by 7. So I am writing A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So pair of linear equations is, now this has a unique solution that we can then we say it as a consistent or you have one solution or it is intersecting lines, right? Now going with the second problem, you have 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. Again you write it in the standard form. 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. I'm just bringing this constant the other side, left hand side. So 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Then as a second step, write down the values. A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to minus 3 and C1 is equal to minus 8. Then A2 is equal to 4, B2 is equal to minus 6 and C2 is equal to minus 9. So if we observe, all are like 1 by 2 only, all the ratios. So step 3, if you see here A1 by A2, these two are equal to 1 by 2, right? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but this is not equal to C1 by C2, right? So then it has, how many solutions we have now? No solution, because all the three are not equal. Any of them are, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by E2 but not equal to C1 by C2, then we don't have any solution. Such type of things we call it as inconsistent, right? Third set of equations are 3 by 2 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7 and 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. So first we need to write down in the standard form as a first step. So 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. And the second equation, 9x minus 10y minus 14 is equal to 0. Step 2, write down the given data. A1 is equal to 3 by 2, B1 is equal to 5 by 3 and C1 is equal to minus 7. Similarly, A2 is equal to 9, B2 is equal to minus 10 and C2 is equal to minus 14. Now, write down the ratios as step 3. A1 by A2, which is nothing but 3 by 2 by 9, right? So that gives you 3 by 2 by 9. So it multiplies 1 by 9, which is nothing but here 1 by 6. Similarly, b1 by b2, we can write it as 5 by 3 into minus 10. So again minus 1 by 6, and c1 by c2, you will get it as 1 by 2, minus 7 by minus 14. So if we compare, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So this is, it has unique solution, parallel, intersecting lines, right? So unique solution, then we call it as consistent. If there is no solution, then we call it as inconsistent. If you have unique solution or infinitely many solutions, then we call it as a consistent solution. Similarly, take the next problem. The given set is 5x minus 3y is equal to 11, minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. Now, you need to write them according to the standard form. So, 5x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. Minus 10x plus 6y minus 22 comes this side, plus 22 is equal to 0. As step 2, write down the values. a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to minus 3, and c1 is equal to minus 11. a2 is equal to minus 10, comparing. So b2 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to 22. Now find out the ratios. a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by minus 10. So that is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Then b1 by b2 minus 3 by 6. So minus 1 by 2. Then similarly c1 by c2 minus 11 by 22. So again minus 1 by 2. So now here if you are comparing the ratios, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, that is equal to c1 by c2. Right? So that means it has infinite solutions and they are coincident lines. So it is a consistent solution. Here comes with the last set of equations. 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. So again, as a first step, we need to write them in the standard form. 4 by 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Means these two are now in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Now write down the given data. a1 is equal to 4 by 3, b1 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to minus 8. Then a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to minus 12. Step 3, find out the ratios. a1 by a2, 4 by 3 by 2. So that means into 2 you will get it as 2 by 3. Then b1 by b2, you will get it as again 2 by 3 here. Then c1 by c2, minus 8 by minus 12. Again this is 2 by 3. So compare the ratios at step 4. a1 by a2, here it is equal to b1 by b2, which is nothing but c1 by c2. So it is infinite solutions here are coincident lines. As it has solution, we can say this is consistent. The pair of linear equation is consistent set. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.